Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a new videos that I create on the bike, and the first time I make this video by action camera. Actually, I bought this action camera by 6,000 taka. This is not maximum, not minimum. So actually it is my first experience of action camera, so all arranged for spoken English. Sometimes I am spend my valuable time with bike because I go to home with bike, and my home is about 20 kilometers far from my job place. So I don't want to waste this 20 minutes because I have need 20 minutes to reach my home, so that this time I can use in the practicing English. So I think that it is also a good way to practice English, because when I ride bike, then I feel I'm not alone, but I'm double. One of the eye and second of my action camera. So the whole road I talk with my action camera. So guys, if you feel it is a good way to practice, so you can start today after seeing this video. Actually, I take this video to show you the natural beauty that created Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for us. Actually, you guys not see the every place of Bangladesh. So sometimes I represent with my video the beautiful place, road, scenery, etc. So I request you to always stay with Conductors Academy. Actually, I make those videos for practicing English. So I think that you will be benefited if you see this video, and if you listen this voice, you can complete your practicing English. Because if you wanted to success in English spoken journey, so you have to need practicing English in writing, reading, and listening, and spoken. So now I'm gonna to ending this video. Welcome. Assalamu alaikum. you.